I really like helping people. That's one of my main goals in life, is to help as many people as I can. My dad was a police officer, so I kind of wanted to do something along the lines of that. I started looking more into the fire service. I'm doing the college program, and after that I'm getting my EMT and my paramedic. It's all really hard stuff, but it's lots of fun. I've been in EPIC since 7th grade. I liked it better because it was more flexible for me and my schedule. Lots of our trainings, well actually all of our tests are due on Fridays, so it gives me time to do EPIC and OSU-OKC. My goal is to be on at Broken Arrow Fire Department and be a firefighter paramedic there and be a driver operator. EPIC really helped me be independent, and I was able to be productive and get all of my school done. So I was able to do that and focus on other things